I find myself. Do you understand? Do you understand? Right now, you can even sell if you want to trade aggressively. Right now, this candlestick is ending in the next 2 minutes. All right? Only that if you calculate your reward, if the reward is not worth it, then there's no point chasing it. Yeah, it's not really worth it because price can bounce from anywhere here. 1.6. Do you understand what I mean now? So you put it there. Thank you so much. Don't try this at home. So if you observe, you will see that later on when we come, you see that it might actually run here. But it's not worth it. The reward is not worth it. 1.6 is not worth the trade. Okay, yes. That's why. That's number one. Number two, the price right now is below the moving averages. Telling you that the sell bias is higher. It rejected on the 200. It's already trading below the 20. So it can sell. Do you understand? What you need to do on this trade right now, USD, go and find your buy somewhere here back to find 2% or 2.5. But if you reject back here, which it can, market will always want to do something to stop people out. Not all the time. It does it. Are we live already? Okay. So it does it. So once it stops people out, then you can re-enter. So this is a very simple way to plot your trade. I'm telling you, this will work forever and ever. This will work forever and ever. But once in a while, you will still see your trade hitting stop loss. I've backtested. That's why I still want Anu and Gospel to still backtest their. I want them to backtest their setup this week again. Please, let's be more sure, because I was making more research. Let's be more sure that what we are doing is plug and play. It works. Are we following? Let's be sure that what we are doing is plug and play. And the moment we get this thing right, I'm telling you, we will just be stresslessly printing money from trading. Stresslessly. In fact, sometimes you just look at your chart, you know exactly what's happening. Because you use your eyes to see what price is doing. You put in and then you are printing the money. If there's anything you know about Forex before and it has not worked, just switch to this. It's very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Mark key areas where price previously rejected. Below and above, a high and a low. Wait for price to reject there again and then find your trade. We just need, from this analysis, what we need is 40 to 55% win rates. This is what we need from this analysis. And then the next thing is to now start trading like robots. Don't add emotion to it. Once you see it, plug it. Put your stop loss, put your take profits, and leave it, let it run. What we need is 45 to 50, meaning that out of every 10 trade, we need between 4 and 5 to work. Out of every 10 trade, we just need between 4 and 5 to work. And if you are very, very careful to do this very well, you will see that you will get more than 5, you get more than 6. AUD USD gone. So let's go to another asset. Now, this is USD CHF. Key zone. Oh yeah, Farouk, come and mark the key zone. Simple key zone. Simple area where we want to look for today. Mark it. Pick the two. This is it. This first two is okay, Farouk. This one and this one is okay. So you are getting it. This and this is very okay. So why am I picking this entire area? Because of this rejection here. That's why I'm picking this entire area for USD So we go to 15 minutes. What's going on there? So what do we think? USD We should look for buy, but allow price to still flow down a little. Do you understand? You can look for buy, allow price to still flow down a little. Except we now have a very good bullish candlestick structure. Right now, it's forming what they call morning star. I ain't that one for the first time. It's forming what they call morning star, but it's not fully formed yet until maybe in the next 9 minutes, depending on how this candlestick close. So, morning star is like a bearish candlestick, a doji plus a bullish candlestick. Then we have evening star. Evening star is the bearish one. We have 3 white soldiers. So you don't need to stress on those areas, all right? Just look for a very good, healthy, bullish candlestick structure, or allow price to still flow down a bit to this area, then find buy. Do we get it? So we can find buy somewhere here, so that we can have good, good reward. However, there's no harm in trying. Your target is that out of every 10 trades, you want 4 or 5 to work. If this candlestick ends well, let me even see it on 5 minutes. There's no harm in trying. There's no harm in trying a buy. And buy it back up. Only that I'm only wary of this. I'm only wary of this area. Can get here and then reject back. So that's our trading idea today for USD We want to trade within these 2 zones. Euro GBP. Bearish. OJ, yeah, come and mark the zone. Oh, yeah, now, Baba. Okay. Oh, yeah, 1 hour. Can you see what he did? He collapsed here, came back to retest this area, retested it, and then collapsed. Against me. Oje, quick, no time. Okay, so what's your idea? Okay, Oje is marking here. Isn't here too far for today? It's a good zone, oh, but it's far for today. It's a good zone. It's valid. You can leave it. If you mark it on your chart, you can leave it. But it's far. But what's your idea? So what's your idea? What's your idea? Okay. No. Use the screen so that everybody can see. What's your idea now? Okay, it's selling. So where do you want to sell from? How do you want to sell? Oh yeah, now OJ, quick. Oh yeah, OJ, quick. No time. Location. Why? Fair value gap. I didn't teach you fair value gap now, so forget about fair value gap. So where will you look for sell? OJ. Oh yeah, now look at the chart is before you right here, right now. I know exactly. I know you know what you want to, but just say it. Even if you are not correct. Back to that your zone. What if he doesn't do that today? Okay, go and sit down. Now, OJ mark this zone, this area, very, very solid area. All right. There's another rejection area here, which gave us a resistance here. All right. Price can return back there. If price return back there, you can find your sell here. If price breaks below this zone, find your sell after a retest. So, do you understand, OJ? So if you now go to the lower time frame, you can decide to sell if it breaks below here. If it strongly rejects from here, just like it rejected here, you can find buy back here. Exactly, because it's already looking like a range. So buyer buys sell. So look for sell if it breaks below. If it breaks below, it retests, you sell. Or it returns back here, you sell. All right? If you want to buy, you say if you reject here, I can buy back. Buy back here, then find my sell. Is somebody following? OJ, do you understand it now? The trend bias is sell. Ideally, look for sell. If it breaks below here, we continue to sell up to this level. Let's look for the next level for the sell. If it breaks below that place, it's a very long journey. That area is a strong area. If it breaks below that level, then we should be going for this level. Okay, there's another level here. That level is not far. I would rather be waiting for a break below this. I can't trade this place. I can't sell here, except I'm selling. I'm swinging. So I would rather look for a buy back here to sell again from somewhere here. A rejection from up here. I would rather not sell here because I'm also thinking about the reward. Is somebody following? Okay, so Euro USD, Dominion, come and mark the zone for Euro USD for us. So you mark it on 1 hour, you go to 15 minutes, you tell us the trading idea based on what we are teaching now. Oh, yeah, Domi, make it fast, make it fast, make it fast. Okay. Okay, so these are the zones you want to mark. So now if you go to 15 minutes, what do you want to do? So what's your trading idea now? Yeah, what's the trading idea?
Now trend.
Okay. Okay. So continue the sell.
If price did not,
Okay, if price reject and flow up, where will you find yourself?
price
Did not go up.
don't
Use the board. If
price don't break,
if you go up, so where will you find yourself? What if it doesn't get there today? Is there any other place where you can find sell? Yeah. You can find yourself here. Since price rejected here. So if I'm trading Euro USD, I'm waiting for price to return here. To return here and sell. Or I allow price to break below here, retest and sell. Do you understand? Do we get it? Do you have any question about it? Okay. Okay, what is the clarity? Sir?
How you like it?
Okay, so Samuel, come and show us the trading idea for GBP USD. Avoid issue to do. Use the big screen. No, price is there now. Okay. Back to where? Okay. And reject. You should sell. Is Samuel correct? We want to fine-tune Samuel's idea. Samuel is saying he marked these zones. Are the zones correct? That's number one question. Then Samuel is saying, as price is here right now, if you reject here and then retest and reject, he's going to buy back here. Then if you reject here again, he sell back here. We want to fine-tune his idea. Yes, Emmanuel. Yes. Yes. You can clean what he has done and put you and start with your own. Okay. Yes. Price is ranging. You can validate it with this. Am I saying? Okay. He said he prefer 5 minutes.
5 minutes. No major key.
Okay.
Major keys. So notice price has bounced on.
Okay.
So why I used to use sometimes when I pick trade, I used to use gives me buyers whether to buy
Or to sell, okay.
So this is I use this down. Like this is when my trade is going to happen.
For today.
So I use this downside to pick this downside.
To pick buy.
Sorry, pick my sell, then I use this downside to pick my buy.
Okay.
So like this middle range just gives me a leverage of okay, where am I going to put my stop loss? Where am I going to put my take profit?
Okay.
That's what I do.
Okay.
So if we are to
trade GBP USD today,
what we're expecting, because our overall trend is giving us a range, but you can see that the red sticks are very, very solid. So this is best option. Or out.
and sell.
Okay.
Samuel Emmanuel is understanding the market very well. He's having a very systematic approach to his expectation in the market, which is very precise. So he marked those key areas, though the overall one, the reason why you guys are marking that place is because price just rejected the price, which is fantastic. It's a very good area. So, but we have an overall area here. That means if price still get to this area, it's still a sell region. So don't think that if price break this place, you want to buy. This is also area where price is rejecting. So there is still sell here. Don't forget, there's still sell here. So if in case price breaks here, don't quickly jump into a buy because of this. So look at the range captures this entire area. So Emmanuel has given a very fantastic trading idea. So he's saying because it's ranging, once price gets there and he sees a rejection, he can find a buy back here. If price gets here again and rejects, you can find a sell back here. Fantastic trading idea. Like I said again, your setup don't have to be perfect. And then you don't have to be sure such that you now begin to dress, when a builder is building and he want to smoothen this place, you want to make sure that he makes it perfect. Once you see any kwashoko, any rough area, he puts cement again to dress it. There are many traders who trade like that. They are always looking for the perfect setup. At the end of the day, they still hit stop loss. There is no perfect setup, and that's why switching to this kind of idea is better. Where you just simply mark areas where price have rejected, allow price to come to that area, you reject, you find your entry. It's not perfect, but it's ideal. Does somebody understand what I'm saying? It's not perfect, but it is ideal. It allows you to make a decision, try it out, it works, you get your profit. It doesn't work, you move to the next trade. Not a perfect setup where you are looking for many apparatus, many confirmations, too many things to happen. You are looking for accumulation, you are looking for distribution, you are looking for manipulation, you are looking for mitigation, you are looking all those things. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for all those things. On Friday, this was what I used. I traded like about 7 times. It failed only twice. 1 break even, 1 stop loss, 5 take profit. 5 take profits. This same simple setup that we are seeing. And there are days that I will try it, maybe out of 7, only 3 will work, but it's still a successful trade. If out of 7, 3 works, it's still a successful trade because of the reward. Those 3, the reward will take out the 4 that failed. Do you understand what we are saying here? So don't try to perfect your setup, that you want to smoothen the whole area. You want to wait for the ideal way. Just mark key zones. Here, price rejected. Let me wait for price to get there. If it rejects, I go in. Here, price rejected. Let me wait for price to get here. If it rejects, I go in. I am telling you, 1 out of 3 works. 1 out of 3 works. 1 out of 3 works, and that's what you need. Out of 3, you need 1 to work. Out of 3, you just need 1 to work. Out of 3, you need just 1 to work. Out of 3, you need 1 to work. Out of 6, you need 2 to work. Out of 9, you need 3 to work. How now beautiful is going to be where out of your 3, 2 is working, or the 3 works. Out of your 6, 4 works, 2 fail. Out of your 9, 6 works, 3 fail. Oh, I'm telling you, you are fine. So mark those areas and then wait for price to come and meet you in your zone. It's like you are marking out your own kingdom. You understand? You are not chasing price. You are waiting for price to come and meet you in your base. Just like me and my wife were talking, but he said, why do dog, when they go to meet vets, they don't back at vets? I said they are not in their territory. A dog is very powerful, only in his territory. No matter how wicked a dog is, the moment you take it out of the compound, it behaves. But in that is compound, in that is domain, is the king of kings there. So your domain is those key areas where you are the king of the trade. So you can once in a while bow down in your domain. Once in a while, you can always bow down in your domain. But once price gets to your domain, it gives you confidence that, okay, I think I can go in from here. This oil should behave itself. It should come down so that fuel can go down. So let's look at oil. Kai, see the zone we mark on Friday for oil. He didn't even smell it. Okay, so who is going to mark? Yeah, Samson. Come and mark the key zones for oil. Sir? Oh yeah, no, come and mark it now. This is the triangle. Is Samson, did he mark it correctly? Did he mark it correctly? Eh? Did he get the location correctly? Oh yeah, now answer now. He didn't mark it well. Who is going to help him mark it well? Emmanuel, come and help him mark it well. He got the location, but come and help him mark it well. So watch. What you marked, the area you marked is where ICT trader they will mark as other block. But that's not what we are teaching here. Do you understand? So the reason why I said you didn't mark it because price, you need to factor in area where price got to. You see, price got here. Price got here. Price got here. You need to factor it into it. Price got here before seller stepped in. So that area too should be marked. Yeah, because liquidity is actually resting above here. There is money here. Traders are here right now. We can't see them. It's brokers that can see them and liquidity providers that can see them. Traders are here. Many traders are here waiting for sale. They are waiting for price to come back to this area where price once got to and sellers took over. So new sellers who didn't participate, they are waiting here. So there's a lot of order here, a lot of stop loss here. That's money. Do you understand? So marking that area, you see, Emmanuel carefully picked the area where price got to and area where price recently rejected from. Very ideal way. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you mark, you consider the entire pricing into it. You factor it into it. Very important. And this area you mark, the reason why it's ideal, it's fine, is because price is there right now and rejecting. So you should also inform your decision. But there's another area here. Now, if you are going to mark this area now, because these candlesticks are small, one of the way you can mark this area is to do it this way. So now the idea is if price breaks below here, then we should be selling to this place. If price come here again to reject and gives us a bullish candlestick pattern, we can continue with the buy, which is the bias. Bullish. Yes. Wait, it's trying to sell and it will only sell until it feels, if you now take out this area or it goes back here. It breaks here or it returns here before it sells.
Also sell easy. Okay.
Yeah, no, yes, you can. But the ideal way is to always trade with the trend. So, but there is no harm in trying. There's no harm in trying. If you reject here, you want to continue buy. All right. But if we get back here, we want to sell again and see rejection here and sell. If we get here, we want to buy again. Oh yeah, no come analyze the UDJPY. Kai, which can chat with this? Yeah, come analyze AUDJPY. Push that. Go back to one. Push it up to this. Now, I mean, stretch the something up. Let it also take her. Let it take it. So AUDJPY, what are you going to do? Face the board, face the big screen and tell us. Oh, so that everybody can see what you are doing now. They cannot see what you are doing from here now. Hmm. You want to buy back up here, straight up. What if you reject here? If you buy from here and you start rejecting here, you cut out the trade. Okay. So she said she will wait for price to get here and then she buy back up. Yeah, so we are getting it. We are getting it. Yeah, it's okay now. This is already 4%. If you take your buy from here, let's say 3 point something back here. So, however, maybe there's a real serious push. You can take it up there. But price has been ranging within this zone. So, if you reject here again, then you can sell back. What happened? Is it the Barclay? Oh yeah, come. Who want to analyze gold? Oh yeah, Shade. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh yeah, come and do USDJPY. It's the same thing. Is it not the same candlestick?
It's the same thing,
Oh, wow, why are you guys running away from gold? It's just only lot size issue. It's not. Gold demands USDJPY. Man of God. Pause. For me, maybe 10 minutes. Now shake you, won't shake. Okay, so what do you want to do? What do you want to do? You buy. Where? Minutes.
15 minutes.
Uh-huh. Okay. So is that where you want to buy from? Where do you want to buy from? Show them. So she said she's going to look at her trading idea. She said she's going to buy from, yeah, show us now.
Calm down.
Retrace.
Retrace.
Pull backs there.
Back.
And buy up. Nice trading idea. Your price has rejected here. You can't buy here. You can't sell here. It's a no man's zone. It's a no man's zone. If you whatever you want to try, calculate your reward. So she's saying she want to buy, she want to price to retest here and buy here. However, be wary of this rejection as well. So, but the trend is bullish. So buying here is not a bad idea. Look for your 2.53%. Plug the trade and buy. So she's very correct too. So let's look at gold. Even if nobody is trading it. Gospel, okay, yeah, Gospel trades it. Okay, yeah, Gospel, come and analyze it good for us. Can you see? He went to find rejection far away, and it's aligning with what has happened earlier this morning. You see, price got there and rejected almost 1,000 pips. That good, guy. That's why people fear it. How can you be doing 1,000 pips within 1 hour? It's crazy, but we love it.
Maybe because gold is
Okay.
wow.
Okay, you sell from here, you buy from here. Okay, so if I want to trade gold, I will sell from here. I want price to move back here, which I doubt price might move back here. But if price get back here and rejects, I sell here. All right. So if price reject here, I sell here. I sell from this rejection back to this area. Then from this area is a very good place to buy, because this is the ideal traditional way that people usually trade before. That when you see two rejection, they call it strong, either strong support, 1, 2, 2 or more. They call it strong support. So this is already strong support here. All right, because it's now 2. So if price gets here, there is a higher probability that it will bounce, at least give you reward of 1 to 3. Risk of 1 to 3. If price returns to this area, you can see a buy. So if price returns here, you can find sell. But if it doesn't return here, find buy. If it doesn't return here, it might go back here. So I think that's that on Forex. So, you know, we are working Monday to Wednesday.